Alright, so in today's video we're gonna talk about the AirTags. I've been using these AirTags around a month or so. So today I wanna talk about my experience. Are they really worth it? And how do they really work? So let's start with the unboxing. Alright, so this is the AirTag. As I said, I've been using this AirTag from a month or so and it's pretty cool. And this is the best tracker available at the moment in the market, and if you are an iPhone user, this is a tracker to go for than going for a Tile or any other competitor. And if you talk about the packaging, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's the same like how you get for an Apple charger or any other accessory, as Apple is selling these AirTags as an Apple accessory. To open this packaging up, you have a pull tab right there. If you pull the tab up, you can open the package. Once you open the packaging up, you will find few things in there. The first thing you'll find is this folio. This folio actually has a couple of instructions on the side and the AirTag in the center. There you go, that's the AirTag. With that, you get few more things in the box, actually 3 of them, and they are all the paperwork. To be honest, they are pretty useless, but that's not the point. The point is that you get the AirTag as well. This is not the only AirTag I ordered. I ordered another one as well, and that was an engraved. I engraved my name on it and it looks pretty cool. It took so much time to arrive, but it finally did, and it's pretty awesome. Now let's talk about how to turn it on and connect it. Once you pull it out of the folio, you will see it has a wrap on it. That wrap, actually it's connected to the battery that's being insulated between the battery and the AirTag. So you just have to unwrap it, and at the very end you just have to pull this wrap off. Once you pull it off, you will hear a beep, and that means it's turned on like this. This means it has been turned on and ready to be connected. Before I show you how to connect this to your iPhone or Find My app, I would like to physically compare this with another tracker I have, which is this TileMate. I have made a whole video about this tracker. I will leave the link below in the description or in the pop-up banner, so do check them out. And if I say honestly, I will go with the Apple one, and I will show the benefits why. You can decide which one is better for you, but I will tell you why the Apple is the better one. Even if you go by the looks, AirTags definitely looks more premium. They have a better build quality and checks all the boxes. Now let's talk about how to connect your AirTags. So if it's turned on and your iPhone is nearby, this will pop up on your iPhone. So hit connect, and then select the name, like whatever you want to name your AirTag. After that, you will even get an option for selecting an emoji if you wish to. You can go ahead and do that, and then hit continue, and it will start the setup process. Once the setup process is completed, it's pretty simple and it will not take more than a minute. To be honest with you, 30 seconds. Once that's done, follow the steps, and here you go, it's been connected. Once it's connected, you will see more options available in the Find My app to track the AirTag, similar to how you get it for the other Apple devices. Here the options are like play sound, find where exactly it is, notify when found, and turn on the lost mode. With that said, you will see the precise location of your AirTag, and to find it, to locate it exactly, just have to hit the find and it will show you exactly where to go to locate it. Sadly, there is no AR experience how like Samsung has, but we are looking forward to the updates, and here you go, this is how you locate your AirTags. Location updates are pretty frequent with the AirTags, unlike Tile, as there are more iPhone and Apple users out there. Here are my both AirTags locations right now live. And now what if you've been traveling with an unknown AirTag which you're not aware of and it's been tracking you? How will you find out? Well, your iPhone will notify something like this: an AirTag found moving with you. By clicking on it, you'll be able to disable the location so that the owner of the AirTag cannot track you. That's pretty cool. With that said, by clicking on that, you can even see how long the AirTag's been tracking you and from where to where. That's pretty awesome. Pretty good privacy concern, which is Apple's always good about. With that, you can even press the play sound and find that mysterious AirTag and then just get rid of it if you want to. So it has given you all the tracking information, how long it's been tracking you and from where to where, and you can even disable it. That's pretty awesome. And at the end note, this is how the tile application looks like, and it clearly mentioning that it only has 652 active users around my area, which is a pretty small number when you compare how many iPhone and Apple users are around everywhere, especially in North America. So that's why I was saying that Apple AirTags are way more efficient and reliable trackers. When it comes to trackers, Apple AirTags definitely stand way above here, and then Samsung Smart Tags, they are pretty competitive, and Tile actually has been crushed. Alright guys, so this is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and sorry for the long gap between the videos. I was stuck between the family problems, I had computer issues, but now finally everything has been solved and the video frequency will be pretty constant. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video, and I will see you around.